Hello all. So I'm glad to meet you by this moment. For this month, I plan to do the lecture series in the area of composite materials. So day-to-day life, the lightweight vehicles which has been launched by so many companies. There are so many competitors which has been launching the huge amount of lightweight vehicles. That includes bike, four-wheeler, aerospace, aircraft, and everything. So the inception about the inside about their lightweight materials, the research has been carried out towards the composite material is little bit increased. There is a huge amount of awareness which has been made in the recent years. Many companies and many industries which are focusing on composite material on their components in order to reduce their weight. Because of this, it can increasing the performance of the vehicle. So that is why the primary purpose, the awareness has been created in huge, and it impacts a lot. And so in this lecture series, we will see in detail regarding that composite material, what are the types of composites are there, and how we going to see how the properties has been classified, in what way the composite has been accomplished in our day-to-day life. So this lecture series composing of first title, lecture 1 is about introduction to composite material, it giving an introduction about their composites and their types. And second one, it gives the about fiber and particle reinforced composites. We just get in-depth knowledge regarding that fiber reinforced composites and particle reinforced composites. That is in lecture number 2. In lecture number 3, we are going to see about the fibers classification and what are the types of fibers has been there, and currently which type of fibers which has been used for particular kind of application. So in this way, we are seeing detail about in lecture 3. And in lecture 4, we're going to see how the natural fibers has been extracted and what are the procedures or what are the methods of extracting procedures which has been adopted in our composite manufacturing, that we can going to see in lecture number 4. And following that, lecture number 5, it deals about the properties of different fibers uh, in terms of man-made fibers and as well as that natural fibers. So if it is natural fiber, means what are the types of natural fibers are there, in what ways this natural fibers has been classified, and how far it has been impacted in our society, that we're going to see in lecture 5. And in lecture number 6, we're going to see the surface treatment of fibers. So how the fibers has been treated. Okay, so what are the chemicals which has been used for the chemical treatment. Okay, so that is what we're going to see in detail regarding that that is what you call that fibers, surface treatment of fibers. Okay, and in lecture 7, we're going to see about composite manufacturing techniques, how the composites has been manufactured, and what are the molding methods are available. Okay, so in this way we're going to say about in detail regarding the composite manufacturing techniques. And in lecture number 8, we're going to see the matrices under the properties, what are the advanced properties are there. So by using the matrix, how can we get more strength in how the properties has been improved, which we're going to see in detail. And in lecture 9, we're going to see the DT based composite material. So whether the composite materials has been emerging or otherwise, because of this emerging, it creates the impact like in deforestation or like kind of some kind of environmental impact, whether it getting affected or not. That we're going to discuss with a group of people. And following that, lecture number 10, that is an application. Okay, so what are the list of applications which we currently are using that as an application? If we just take any one random application and we study in detail about their case and how the composite has been impacted in that application, like that we're going to see in our upcoming last lecture. Thank you.